How to make game folders on PS5. First of all, starting at the PlayStation 5 home screen, you're going to want to go all the way along to the right on the home page here. As you can see me do, you want to go along to the end until you see the last one, which is say like this, game library. Click on that, then go into the section here where you'll want to scroll along to your collection here, and then you can see on the left hand side there you can scroll using the D-pad to get to create game list. So game list and game folder is basically going to be the same thing, so you want to go ahead and group them up just by clicking X on them. So for me, I've got those two there, they're the two football games, so go ahead and I create just like a football game file, so you can go ahead and do that. Click football, click confirm, then again you can sort by A to Z or whatever you want there. Confirm it, and there is your game folder. You can see all the games specifically within that genre or whatever type of list you want to do within there. You can also rename and delete it if you want to, and do multiple game folders. Leave a like on the video if it helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.